One thing I can guarantee you, that if you stick around to the end of this short video, you will have at least one, if not 2 or 3 things that you will change on your Ecom store to generate more revenue per visitor. I'm Oliver Kenyon, and this is episode number 68 of Optimization by Oliver. This is where I take a brand that's out there in the public domain and I show you what I would do if I was in charge of running their A/B testing or CRO optimizations. For the last decade plus, I've run a CRO agency, and I'm going to show you everything I would do to optimize this store. So in this example, I picked the luggage brand Away Travel. They sell millions of products every year, but I genuinely feel that these changes would have dramatic effect on their business. We start with the homepage, and this is one of my best before and after transformations. I simply love this design. It starts with number 1. We've added all important social proof. I don't care how big your brand is, make sure you showcase how many reviews you have and how many happy customers you have on your store. Number 2 is we've added a proper headline. We've enhanced the value proposition straight away. We've used this clever wording in order for people to feel and see the benefit and the value of this specific brand. Number 3, before, a big no-no, a white button on a white background that just says shop now. Ugh, horrible. We've used this full width black button that stands out against this new beautiful orange background. It has a directional cue and it directs people towards the best sellers. And number 4, as you can see, we completely reorganized this image. We have this far better, sleeker layout. It still showcases the product, but we've always also managed to fit in those featured by logos, which really helps enhance trust and credibility. As we move on to the product page, again, a huge no-no. These guys have a big product title, a price, everything that pushes everything that's important below the fold. So instead, we've started with our trust policy bar. It's a simple little bar that sits just below the navigation, and it allows you to, again, further enhance your benefits and values as a brand. Make sure you add things like how your products are built, if they're made in the US, if they're vegan friendly, if you offer 100% satisfaction guarantee, anything that really makes you stand out. Number 2 is for the image section. We used a 1-to-1 ratio. We pulled it above the fold more. We've got these directional cues on either side of the image, plus thumbnails underneath, so that people can easily scroll and see they can go through the product images. Which leads us to number 3, social proof. Again, these guys have got thousands of reviews, but they don't show them off above the fold. Simple stars, amount of happy customers, box is ticked. Number 4, we've used a better product layout. You see the space that's taken on the before above the fold for the product image and the name, the price and the name. Now it's all on one line, and it allows us to bring number 5, these all important elements above the fold. We've used actual pictures and thumbnails of the different variations of the product SKU, because therefore people can see exactly what's changing when it comes to the color. If you use color swatches, the issue is people can't really visibly see what's changing when it comes to color. So you use actual product images. Once these are clicked, it's still within the fold, so people can then see the product change in the hero image, and it's just a far better user experience. And lastly, 3 subtle pages on their cart drawer slider, which again, I'm confident would increase their revenue per visitor. Number 1 is gamifying that free shipping. So not just having free shipping, but also saying that they can go further and add a free gift. That doesn't have to be a huge monetary item. It can be something small, but it just gamifies the cart. It makes people want to add more of these one-click upsells into the cart. It increases the AOV, and you just have to give away a very simple free gift. No brainer. Number 2, we've just laid that product card out better due to the adding the free shipping gamification above. And then number 3, we further enhanced the cart by adding the all important call to action above the fold. It's the same color, it's the same arrow, it's the same consistency as the homepage and the product page, so that journey and continuity is there. We've added payment seals underneath for trust and credibility, and all of these things are just going to make these guys more money. Speaking of making more money, if you want our entire CRO course for under $50, head on over to the link below the video in the description. It's our Conversion Rate Academy. You get access to our entire course. You get live audit clinics where we pick apart and rip your pages and tell you how you can improve your conversion rates, and exact wireframes of all the pages on your store. Head to our YouTube channel if you want more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.